Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today I'm going to be unboxing our radio flyer wagon. This came in yesterday, and I figured why not just come on here and open it up for you guys, set it up for you guys, show it to you guys, especially since I did talk about this in my Amazon haul video. If you have not seen it, I'll go ahead and link it in the description box down below. Definitely go ahead and check it out. But I just figured why not. Excuse my appearance, it is Saturday and we are just at home doing nothing, and I do not feel like getting ready, so that is that. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing what the wagon looks like all set up and my thoughts on it as a first impression, then definitely keep on watching. All right guys, so like I said, the box came in yesterday. Hi, thank you, Papa. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a lot of interruptions throughout this video, so just be patient. He is up, does not want to go down for a nap, so I'm just letting him be. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Why don't you come open this with mommy? You want to come open the box? No? Okay. Sit down though, okay? Thank you. Okay, so these are all the pieces. This is obviously going to be the actual wagon itself. We've got the canopy right here. We've got the cooler caddy here. We've got the directions, and then we have, oh my god, these are huge, the all-terrain wheels. And then I think these are the seat belts. I think these are the seat belts that go inside the wagon. So let's open this one up. Oh my god, this totally fell on my foot right now, and it hurt. I think you can see a little bit better. The camera was just up a little too high. So let's get this open. Hold on, let me read the directions before I even get started here. Alright, so we have three different sets, careful Papa, three different sets of instructions. This is to attach the wheels, the handle, all of that, and then the cooler caddy, and then the canopy. So let's obviously start off with the wagon. Besito. Thank you. finally done. Here is the Wagon. I absolutely love it so far. It did take me a little while to set it up. Obviously, as you saw, he was in and out. And I'm out of breath because I was actually getting really hot. I do have my ring light on because I do not have the best lighting in here. So that definitely does get me pretty hot. Oh, but hold on. So anyways, it's a very good size. It's a lot bigger than I expected it to be for some reason. But this is the canopy. This part just comes right back down. So it goes into the wagon. This does pop on and off, and you can roll it, and then it rolls up, and then you can store it for when you don't want to use it. I really like this right here. So this Velcros shut. You pull it out, and then you zip it down. So then it becomes a little bench for your little one wherever you're at. For wherever you're at. The wheels are really great. You've got the handle right here. It's got a little bit of padding and not too much. So if you want it to be a little softer for when your little one sits on it, I'd probably put like a blanket or something there. It does have seat belts. It's not a 5-point harness or anything. It's just a strap around the waist, which is just fine. And then right back here is where we have the cooler caddy. So this just folds out. You've got these straps right here where you would go ahead and put your cooler here and then tighten to fit the size cooler that you have. And you can always unhook this right here and then just tuck them. It's very easy to take off. It's just a button that, hi Bubba. It's just a button, not a button. Well yeah, it's a button. You just take it off. And then you can store it in here because the straps are pretty long. And if you're not using it, then it's just going to be really long when you have it set down. This one right here is if you have any umbrellas or any beach chairs. You stand them up in here, there's a little step right here, and then you just tie this, you buckle it around it so that it stays in place. Let me just lift this real quick because he wants to stand on it. It stays up really well, so you don't have to worry about it falling down. So far, it seems to maneuver pretty well. Obviously, I'm trying to drag it around while I'm sitting on the floor, so it's not going to maneuver that well. But overall, I love the look. I'm really loving it. I can't wait to take him out in it. As you can see, he already likes it himself. I'll zip you up in here. Bye. Obviously on this end is the handle, and it's got two little places for your drinks right here, so two little cup holders. This right here is the handle. You can extend it. Hold on. There we go. Hold on, Papa. It does extend. And put it back. Hold on, Papa. And I like that it has this little strap right here, so it does hold it into place when you're not using it. And then let me go ahead and take it apart for you guys. So this is where you're going to pull it up, this red tab right here, this handle. So let me just, like if I'm going to put it away, easy snap off, and then it's already rolling up on its own. So it just rolls up. Very simple, easy. Just push the button right here. Very easy, and let's see how easy it is to lift this. That's it. That was very easy. It does have some weight to it, obviously. Yeah, so it does have some weight to it, but mainly because it's just very sturdy. I think it feels like almost the same weight as my stroller for him, so not too big of a problem. And then just extend it out, push down, and you're ready to go all over again. I will leave the link to this one in the description box down below. Again, like I mentioned, you do have to customize this one because you do have to add these all-terrain wheels and the caddy and the canopy. But I will go ahead and link it down below, and then you just go ahead and make it however you want. You can even customize it to the point where you put your family's name on here. I decided not to because I don't feel that's necessary. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you guys like it. I love it. Definitely check it out. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Good job.